Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know I have not done a video like this in a while, but we're back and we are going to be talking about Jamaica travel, the best tips and tricks, a little bit of advice from a Jamaican local when coming to Jamaica, because we want you to have the best time on our little island. So if you're interested in learning more about Jamaican currency and some advice to spending and saving if you're traveling on a budget, then stay tuned. So first things first, you got to know how the equivalent of Jamaican to US dollars is done. Yep, we're going to do the basics. We're going to talk about how much Jamaican dollars you can get for your US currency, your US dollars, your US coin. While many places in Jamaica accept US dollars, you'll usually get a better deal if you pay in Jamaican currency, which is the local currency, Jamaican dollars. Plus, you'll impress the locals when you know how to use their Jamaican currency and you're just like, yeah man, I know that this is $5,000. You can't trick me. So let's break it down. First, you have the coins. Let's be real, those coins are basically like finding spare change in your couch cushion. I personally don't know why we still use the coins, but alas, let's talk about it. So you'll find them in denominations of $5, $10, and $20. We use them when we are short on bills, which is cash we call it, and then they come in handy and only then when you don't have cash on you. So you don't need to worry about that. We have bigger fish to fry, which are the notes. So we're talking about $50, $100, $500, $1,000, and even $5,000 bills. Yep, that's right. We walk around with a single $5,000 note in your pocket. Say Jamaica is unfortunate without saying it's unfortunate. But just be careful not to flash it around, because you know it might end up attracting the wrong people and the wrong attention, because you know people love pickpocket around here. But that's another story. So you have the weakest, which is the Jamaican $50 note, and the strongest, which is the $5,000 note. And going exchange rate as at April 2023, you can get $152 Jamaican for your $1 US. That is wild. And you know it's been fluctuating since your start, and it fluctuates on a weekly basis, so make sure to check the rate when you reach Jamaica and you want to convert your dinero into Jamaican currency. I also have another video on that. If you want to convert it, I'll put it in the description box for reference, so you can just head on over to that when you finish this video. Now let's get into some tips for spending Jamaican currency like a pro. So first off, you want to avoid those tourist areas because it's kind of pricey. No if buts or maybes. So go to the Jamaican local stores, you get better deals, and you also get to experience the true Jamaican culture. I keep saying this because when you feel like you're getting a whole $150 for your $1 US, you feel like you're balling and you're like, oh. But you'll be surprised when you convert it back to the US dollar and then you see those touristy prices and the touristy places that are selling you a Pepsi for 15 to 20 to 30 US dollars for one bottle of Pepsi. Yeah, so thank me later. Also, when it comes to eating out, forget about the fancy restaurants. I know there is sales, but head straight to the street vendors if you're not doing the all-inclusive, because you'll be surprised at the best food offered. If you want to experience the real authentic Jamaican food, the street vendors have it, and it's affordable. And it's scrumptious. So like I said, unless you're going to all-inclusive and you literally just paid for your accommodation, then go right outside to a Jamaican local, sample their street food, and chef's kiss, Thank me later. Oh, let's not forget about the activities and excursions. I know you guys want to know about that as well. Make sure you do your research and compare the prices and make sure that that is in line with when you're booking to go on a flight to Jamaica, because you really can save a lot of money when you book your flight. Also, if you're going to go the all-inclusive route, they have many amazing deals when you do the all-inclusive packages and you go through a hotel. But if you want, you can segue into like just connecting with Jamaican locals or some people that are doing packages of their own. I mean, it is few and far between and it's very hard. So I would suggest that you just go through like a Choco Adventures or a hotel. Dare I say it, just go through the hotel and done. You really can't go around it when it comes to excursions and activities, because this is where Jamaica earns their dollars. So I would suggest just go and take an all-inclusive package and make sure that you're getting the most for your buck. So do the research, okay? Do the research. And honestly, if you're a tourist, chances are you'll have to pay the touristy fees, because there's no going around it, like I said. So that's why I say make hay while sunshine and budget and save where you can, right? See? Yeah. Let's be real, the most important tip of all is to keep your wits about you. Be aware of your surroundings. Jamaica is amazing. It is an amazing place. I'm not gonna lie, it's amazing. The people, the cuisine, everything. But it's better to be safe than sorry. And while you have cash walking around, you don't want people to know that you have cash walking around, okay? So like I said before, don't go flashing it around and don't be counting your $1,000 bills because you're just like flossing. No. I've seen people do it and it's not a pretty look. I don't want you to get pickpocketed out in them streets, guys. So like I said, always be alert with your dinero. I know cash is king and you have to walk with it, and you don't really want to use your credit card, but you might want to use your credit card some places, just saying. But if you carry around cash, you'd want to have it in a secure place. Don't put everything in one place, because it's not gonna work out in your favor. In God forbid, if something happens to you, you don't want to be cashless. But I'm just being real with you guys. Like, if anything happens, keep some money here, keep some money here, keep some money here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So with all that said, that is my updated take on all, or you know, most there is to know about Jamaican currency and some tips for spending it. Now get out there and live your best life on our beautiful island, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I know all the YouTubers say it, but guys, you want to join the community so you never miss an update, you never miss a notification, you never miss something I have to share with you about Jamaica and how to bypass all the craziness and get the most out of your buck and out of your time and out of your experience on this beautiful island. If you want to go back into my other travel videos, because you know I have quite a bit of them there in the playlist, I'll put that in the description as well. But guys, I hope you have a great day, great week, great year. It does not matter how long it's great, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.